We are here at the Mangaldan Park. This is Baby Shine going to the wishing well. She is very happy, always happy and happy. Hello, Baby Shine. Nyan, what's that? That's a pebbles. Pebbles. She is playing with the pebbles. There are one. You count. 1, 2, 3, 4. You put it here. Put it here. 1, 2. Sabi mo, hello. Hello, mama. Kama. Shine, oh. Shine, bye-bye. Bye-bye. Shine, bye-bye. Shine, bye-bye. Bye-bye. Bye-bye na. Alis na ako. Bye-bye, Shine.